John Crestani, how'd I do? Is it all right?
You pronounced it right.
He's a successful entrepreneur with an incredible story that all started in Thailand. And I'm so happy to welcome him to the show this morning and share his story with you. So great to have you on the show this morning.
Happy to be here.
Oh my gosh, I just absolutely am so inspired by your story. You've been featured in Forbes magazine, by the way. I read a little article about you on Forbes. Yeah. And you went to Thailand with the Bible, Hindu scripture, and a book about how to kind of break free from that 9 to 5. And that's truly where your journey began, right?
Yeah, well, I was kind of finding myself. This is on a semester abroad during college, and I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do, and just seemed like entrepreneurs had the most freedom and the most fun. So I was like, this is where I'm going.
Yeah. Well, I love that that was kind of your idea and you went for it. I mean, you went for it all the way. And I think a lot of us in our early 20s are right there with you. We can relate. We're all kind of trying to find out who we are and where we want to be, where we want to go in life. Not all of us head off to Thailand, though, to figure that out. So pretty brave at 20 years old. What was it like when you got there? I mean, I assume you didn't know anybody. Was there a language barrier, or how did you survive?
There's a lot to figure out traveling. But I love that kind of rush of backpacking, and just you kind of go around and you meet people and you see how different cultures do things, and it really
very cool.
It really kind of, I like to think of things from a first principles perspective, like just what's and it just clarified everything, really just shocked the system. I liked it though.
I love that, and that's really what got you here today, and you're kind of known for traveling now.
I love traveling.
Where are you off to next?
Well, little crazy, but I'm actually off to Burning Man next month, which is but it's pretty crazy. I think everybody should try it once in their life.
Yeah, absolutely. What does wife and baby think about this, by the way? Are they globetrotters, or are they kind of more homebodies?
It's a little too dirty. There isn't as much sand. It's wife and baby are staying home.
Okay. Well, how let's talk about education. You've had a lot of successful businesses, but today you're really trying to focus on education. What do you want to change? What do you want to do?
I think there's so much change that can happen in the education system. For one, I think it's a lot. First of all, it's way too expensive. You look at the average 20-year-old starting off in life, and they're saddled by hundreds of thousands of dollars of debt. It's not that fun either. You look at, I remember I was in college, and you look around and everybody's on Facebook on their phones.
I know. I noticed that too. It drives me crazy. And now it's at dinner tables and everywhere you go. But I mean, it is. Everybody's just sitting on Facebook.
And so it's not that fun. It's way too expensive, and it's basically, we need to make it more engaging, we need to make it cheaper, and we need to make it more convenient too, because right now you have to drive a far way, or you have to go to a whole different state, and it should be you should be able to do it at home on your TV.
And how do you want to change it? What do you want to do?
Sure. So this is a startup I'm working on, but basically we're working on creating an adaptive education platform that people can basically get free education from top quality instructors through the TV, and we're really charging hard on this, and we want education to be free, but at the same time I think we need we're creating a monetization model for teachers, because teachers, I think, are they should be some of our best paid people in our society, and there's so many. I mean, it's funny because college is so expensive, yet teachers are underpaid. The whole system, there's something fundamentally wrong there.
Yeah, well, John has, like I said, an incredible story. We're out of time. I could talk to you for hours.
Sure, sorry.
But if you want to learn more about how that trip to Thailand ended, how he broke free from that 9 to 5, and the startup that he's talking about, be sure to head online, johncrestani.com, and they can get all the information there that they want to know, right, John?
Yeah.
All right, for the win. Great to have you on the show this morning. And if you're traveling back to Florida, please come back and see us.
No doubt. Thank you so much.
Be sure to head online too. We'll have this interview posted at fox4morningsblend.com.